everybody, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and I've got something new for us to look at. I found these yesterday and I couldn't resist. I bought 4 of them. My goodness, these are journals, handmade, hand-stitched, incredible. Let me show you. Now this one, I thought would be great for, I got 4 for the 4 daughters. But look at this. I'll turn it this way so you can see better. But they're just such pretty things. I don't know what for, but they're just pretty things. And all these different papers. And she said some of them are hand-dyed papers. And some have these little guys on them. And some are stamped papers, and some have little fold-out things. And some stickers, and this is a artwork canvas that she cuts into pieces. I hadn't seen that before. And this is just so pretty. And she put in extra bookmarks because I got 4 of them. And I look at that on that edge of that page. And then this is an extra, I don't know what it is, but it's sewn with a sewing machine. And then this one is some kind of a fold out with just papers. Have you seen anything like this? This is, I guess I've not been into paper crafting, but this is really unusual. This is one. Here's another one. Look at that. She said this is something her son drew. And she duplicates. So they're just, and these are hand stenciled. I was enthralled with them. I also like bugs. Remember how much I like bugs? And I think there's that's beautiful. This one has more sort of boho stuff in it. And a little bit of like a tapestry type. I think she said she put a bunch of leaves down and then took pictures of them and then made that into paper, I guess. I don't know. And lace. I don't know, if you needed a journal, this is definitely the way to go. This one has a beautiful dingle-dangle on the end. And this one's fabric. Just unique. Each one is so different. Different things in each one. If I had one, I don't know if I'd want to ride in it. I guess I would, but there's just so many unique and beautiful things to look at when you're going through it. When this back one has a little fairy. And then this is the 4th one. From my daughter that loves purple. So lots of lavender, music notes. This one was sort of odd, but we could overlook that one. Then lace and buttons. And I don't know what to call it all. I called it doodads, and she said erythema. Erythema? That sounded like a disease, but anyway. Look at this. And lots of purple in this one. This is just a little tiny book, or just a little something, doodad. Do you find these interesting? I'm just enthralled with them. Isn't that something? So I got 4. And then these were the other things she did. Well, let me move these books over. So there's this big, thick envelopes. And then handmade cards. And they're like a little notebook. So you'd put your own writing in there. And I'm thinking that, yes, you could probably send it as is. But I'd want to put that in a manila envelope and send it. I wouldn't want it to get messed up in the mail. I just really, just eclectic, I think would be the best way to describe them, huh? Maybe I'm just totally out of touch with papercraft, but this is really something. Find beauty in every day. Well, she has beauty in her stuff. So, what do you think of all that? Isn't that interesting? They're just so beautiful. Oh, it goes this way. It's just so beautiful. Well, anyway, give me some comments on it. What do you think? I think they're, I'm going to give them to my daughters, all 4 of them. And we'll see what they say. Maybe they say, gee, Mom, what is it for? Or maybe they'll say, wow, I can't wait to start writing in it. I'm not sure what they're going to say. But anyway, I think I got my birthday present, Mother's Day, spring, you name it, present taken care of, all 4 of them. All right, you guys have a good day and God bless. Bye-bye.